say, they kind of followed me here after we moved here. My two sons are living not too far away from where I am. But this is my retirement home. I lived all over, and now it's time to settle down.
Yeah, I didn't catch where it is that you're from there and what your call sign is, but I'd like to get both of those if I could. But I hope everyone on the net is doing well today. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day along the East Coast and the Midwest, I guess.
Well, it's building up to be a nice day here. The call sign is Whiskey 3 Golf Whiskey Mike. And my name's George, and I'm located in northeast Pennsylvania. I'm near a small town called Wyalusing. It's about 35 miles west-northwest of Scranton, and I'm about 4 miles south of that little village up on top of the mountains. But this is the first time I've worked you, Scott. It's nice to run into you.
Yeah, roger that. I just went to your QRZ page. That looks like about a 16-inch reflector SkyQuest you got there. Pretty nice telescope, over.
It's a 10-inch, but it does the job.
Yeah, it sure would. Boy, I used to have a 6-inch Dynoscope when I was a kid, and boy, I sure miss it and thought about getting back into that hobby, but I got too many hobbies and not enough time. I got to work for a living.
Well, I'm busier now that I'm retired than I was when I was working. But we're in dark sky country up here. There's no city lights around to pollute the sky, and the Milky Way is fantastic.
Yeah, I still remember where everything is. I had all the star maps and stuff. I can find globular clusters and Horsehead nebulas and ring nebulas, and I still know where it all is. Anyway, nice making your contact there. Good luck with that telescope, and thanks for letting us check in this morning. And I sent that November 8th Julia India Whiskey an email just to say howdy, since he's where I was from originally. Take care, everybody. Have a good day. November 5, X-Ray Tango Charlie, Hampton, Virginia, East Coast.
Okay, Roger, Scott. Nice to meet you. This is the first time I've worked you, so I hope to see you again on E-Cars. It's going to be a good day up here, and I'm sure you're going to have a good day down that way and a good weekend. 73, and I look for you again in the future. This is Whiskey 3 Golf Whiskey Mike, clear with the November 5 X-Ray Tango Charlie. And I've got the Kilo 4 Alpha Golf Juliet, I believe it was. Is that correct?
This is Kilo November 4 Alpha Golf Juliet. Joe in South Carolina. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Jerry. You're coming in not too bad up here, about a 5'8", 5'9", the Liberty QSB this morning. How's the weather down in South Carolina?
Well, this is my sleep late morning, so I haven't opened the door to check.
It's hard to type one-handed.
It's cool, and
East
to have some
Cars.
Fairly clear skies today.
Checking.
I just checked the phone. It's 51 degrees down here, and it looks like it's beautiful outside. So just sat down with my morning cup of coffee and decided to play radio.
And this guy here just checked in before I did, and he's from pretty close to where I grew up, so I sent him an email. That's the cool thing about QRZ. All hams all over the world are on this website, and most of us have a nice page set up, and pictures, stuff you can read. Keep my logbook on here, and you have to be a member to see all this address and email with a ham license. But I sent him an email, said I heard him 5'9" in New Hampton, Virginia. I get emails like that sometimes from people. They'll say, hey, I'm in Seattle, Washington, and you were talking to somebody and you were 5'8" in Seattle. They give you a signal report that they heard you. That's pretty cool. So I just logged into E-Cars there. Let me show you the contest that's running this weekend. This is the big contest, CQDX, CQ Worldwide DX. When I first got my license, this happened the very next weekend. And so it starts at on the 28th here, Zulu time, so about 7 p.m. UTC, Universal Time, Zulu time. So it starts about 7 p.m. tonight, and I'm looking forward to that. It's actually, I think it starts at 8 p.m. tonight. We're 4 hours different from UTC right now. I get screwed up with the time changes. That clock right there is set to Zulu time.
Hopefully there'll be a tree close enough to the campsite to set up. I usually take a slingshot and put a rope up in a tree and pull up a little 30 feet I have, which is what I'm talking on now. 100 watts through a
We're clear.
through ST891 and then